Alright, well, I've got the notorious steering column clunk in my Chevy again. I had it before. I replaced the little plastic steering column bearing, and that's back after a couple years, however long it's been, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and do this again, except this time using this guy. I believe it's Wolff Engineering makes this. It's a proper bearing in here, and a lot higher quality. It's about $100. I'll leave the details down in the description for it. Apparently do this once and never have to do it again, which is nice because it's kind of a pain to climb under the dash. Also going to go ahead and do the intermediate shaft because this little U-joint here can wear out, and that can cause a lot of the clunk too. So I'm going to do both of those today and see how it goes. Alright, so the intermediate shaft is down here. Goes from the inside, the bottom of the steering column, and connects right down here underneath my turbo pipe here. I went ahead and removed the inner fender to get direct access to the intermediate shaft there. Inner fender comes out fairly easily. Got, I don't know, about 8 of those plastic clips, and then one 11mm bolt that goes into the what is that, the window washer tank. So anyways, now I got direct shot at the intermediate shaft right in here. Alright, so it's 15mm, and this kind of like a jam nut, just jams itself up against the side of the shaft. Now we just got to convince the dog to move, because I need there. Can you relocate? Alright, I went ahead and strapped my steering wheel to the door over there. That way, whatever I disconnect under here, the steering wheel stays in the same place. Probably be wise to remove the driver's seat. I don't have, I'll make it a flashlight in there. I don't have one of those, whatever these are called. I don't know. I don't have any, so I got to do it the hard way and just lay across here. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and remove the accelerator pedal. Just give me more room in here. Okay, remove the bolt right here, the pedal. Is there another one? Don't feel like it. Oh, there's another one up there. Okay, there you go. Pedal out. Now, there's a nice hole in that bracket that lines up with that bolt. Okay. Now we got more room to work. You can see the other end of the shaft here. Like I said before, it's a 15 and a 13. I don't know why they couldn't make the bolt and the nut the same, but go ahead and get those out. Alright, so got that bolt and nut out of there. Now, should be able to just push this back out. There we go. think I can maybe collapse it on the other side. Yeah, so collapse that in. There we go. Alright, so that's that out. Doesn't feel totally wore out, but it's certainly a lot floppier than the new one, which is really stiff. That's good. There it is. Oh, you know what? So I'm just gonna leave that down there out of the way. Go ahead and remove this old bearing out of there. Oh yeah, there goes all the bearings that were in it. Fantastic. I don't believe that's supposed to come apart like that. There's a new bearing. It says that is not blood on my finger. That is grease, or is it blood? No, that's blood. Oh, awesome. So, don't know how I did that. Anyways, instructions say to use petroleum jelly on here. I think that's just to make sure that the little O-rings don't get caught when you're sliding this in. Okay. And also provides a little thing of Loctite. So you're supposed to put that little bit of Loctite on these 4 screws. And I'm going to go tape up my finger so I don't bleed all over everything. Alright, tighten these bolts up. Give you a little tiny Allen wrench with it. I'm going to have to get you out of the way because I need to climb in there. I was able to tighten 2 of those right now. I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the steering shaft to the steering box. That way everything stays in sync. And then I can rotate this around and tighten those other 2. Alright, that's in. I'll tighten that in a bit. There we go. It's in there. Just still got to tighten that one up, but it's in. Alright, got it all back together. Everything's tightened up. Turn the steering wheel 180 so I could get the other 2 little lock screws on the new column bearing. Tightened up the bolts down here, the on the intermediate shaft. Put my accelerator pedal back in. All I got left to do is reinstall my inner fender. I did manage to get the dog to move, not very far, but at least she's out of the way now. So these are the kind of bearings you get down at the whatever, AutoZone, O'Reilly, probably Napa. They're junk, just a little plastic. It's metal bearings, but like those cheap ones you'd get in like an old bicycle or something. Like I say, just captured it in plastic here, and they're crap. This one's maybe a couple of years old. The intermediate shaft, I say, didn't probably not the cause of the clunk, but I just wanted to do all of the causes all at once, so I don't have to crawl under that dash again for a while. So, anyways, hopefully this solves your guys' problem too.